There are times when you are in rush and need something quick and simple. This Sev Tamatar recipe is a Gujarati dish that's a great option. It needs a very few ingredients and can be prepared in less than 15 minutes. First, get a handful of garlic cloves. Make sure to add enough garlic because it tastes really good in this recipe. Next, grab 4 to 5 tomatoes. This dish is mainly from tomatoes, so they are the main ingredient. I will use a grater to grate my garlic, but you can chop it too. Just do whatever works for you. Now we will cut our tomatoes into medium sized square pieces. I have talked to a lot of Gujarati friends and most of them mentioned that cutting the tomatoes this way gives it the most authentic taste in the final dish. So cut all of your tomatoes just like this. We will also need a second part of this dish, which is sev. Make sure to use a medium size sev. You can go for a simple plain flavor or a garlic flavor just like I am using here. You will need half a cup of sev for these many tomatoes. Begin with 3 tablespoons of oil and make sure your pan is on medium heat. Once your oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of rye, 1 teaspoon jeera, a pinch of hing, 10 to 12 curry leaves. Add your garlic at this stage and cook everything for around 30 seconds. For a better taste, make sure everything is roasted and your garlic start turning brown. Now add your tomatoes and mix them with your other ingredients. Make sure everything is well mixed and all of your tomatoes have touched the oil. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of haldi and half a teaspoon of spicy red chili, but you can adjust the amount to your taste. Some people like green chilies for this dish, but a beautiful red color is mostly desired for the authenticity. Optionally, you can also add a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili for a better color, which is not very spicy but gives you a beautiful red color. Once everything is mixed, just cover your pan and let your tomatoes cook for exactly 5 minutes. Make sure to keep the heat on medium and check your tomatoes in between. Once they are a bit mushy, add 1 teaspoon of dhania powder. Mix it with your tomatoes. This recipe doesn't require a lot of spices and all the great flavors mainly come from garlic and tomatoes themselves. Add 1.5 cups of water. You can adjust the quantity of water to your desired consistency. Usually around 2 cups of water are enough for 5 tomatoes. We will cover it and let it cook for 5 more minutes or until your desired consistency is achieved. I personally like my Sev Tamatar a bit flowy, so I will turn off the heat and garnish with fresh cilantro. Add half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the sour taste from your tomatoes. Mix everything and add your sev. Make sure you have turned off the heat before you are adding the sev, and with this your Sev Tamatar is ready. This dish hardly takes 15 minutes and it may look simple at first, but it tastes amazing. Do try this recipe at home and share your thoughts in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.